In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop iPhone from sleeping. So if your iPhone goes to sleep, the moment you drop it, that implies that the screen time is set to maybe 15 seconds or a minute. So to make it never goes to sleep, or to make it never dim or turn off, you need to increase the screen timeout or auto lock timeout. So here, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone sleeping. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to stop your iPhone from sleeping is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on display and brightness. Once you click on display and brightness, you want to scroll down again, and here you have a feature called auto lock. As you can see, I set my auto lock to 5 minutes. This implies that my iPhone screen is going to stay active for 5 minutes before it goes to sleep. If you don't want your iPhone screen to ever go to sleep, click on never, and once that is set, if your iPhone screen is remain active like this, it's going to be like this until your phone battery drains or you press the start button. Otherwise, the iPhone screen will never go dim or goes to sleep. So this is how you can easily stop iPhone from sleeping. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.